Hello everyone, welcome to this demonstration of HR Employee Productivity and Performance Evaluation application by BrowseInfo. It evaluates the employee performance consistency using the KRA and value rating methods. The module offers dual evaluation flows for flexible and fair assessments across the teams, helps HR to track the productivity, measure the results, and maintain the standard evaluation criteria for the all employees. It's a perfect tool for structured, transparent, and regular performance reviews in Odoo. So here for the first step, I have already configured the database and I'm just navigating to this KRA module. So for the first step, under the configuration, you have to go to the key result areas, and here I have already created the one. For the same, you have to add the name and the questions for the same and description, hint and the weightage for the same. If you want to create the new KRA, so you just have to click on this new icon. That under the configuration, you will find the options for the job. So here the job positions will be fetched. So we have to select the one, and under that we have to select the KRA which we have created. After that, I'm just going to the create KRA for employee, and here you can see one wizard will open. So from here you can select the year. If you want to select the quarter or the employee, you can also do the same. Here I'm selecting the all employees and going to create the same. So after that, under the KRA, you can see the KRAs are created for the employees. After that, we have an option for the value rating for the employees. So here I have created for one employee. For the same, you have to select the employee, the month, and according to the skills and the assessment, you can add the approach and quality of the work, interpersonal skills development, code of conduct, and every details, and you can add the weightage for the same. After that, I'm just going to the analysis report and selecting the KRA report. So here you can see the employees KRA's data is fetched. After that, we also have an option for the employee value report. So here you can see the details for the employee value rating is fetched in this report. After that, if you want to print the employee value report, you just have to click on this value rating and select the employee, and under the action buttons you have to click on this employee value. So here you can see the performance and employee value rating report is generated for the employee. After that, under the KRA, we have one option to KRA to review. So if you want to add the approvals, so it will be reflected over here. So this is how our module works. If you have any questions and doubts regarding the same, note down in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe BrowseInfo's channel for more Odoo related tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching.